So they come from Mitzrayim, the brothers, and they go to their Yaakov Avim, to their father. Vayagidu lo leimo. Listen carefully to the language. Od Yosef Chai. Yosef is still around. V'chiu Moshe b'chol eretz Mitzrayim. He rules over the entire land. Vayafeg liboy. Ki lo he'emin lehem. Yaakov Avinu doesn't believe the holy tribes, Tzaddikim, the brothers, says, I don't believe a word you're saying. Would the brothers, your sons, start lying to you now? Why doesn't Yaakov believe him? Listen to the language. They said, Od Yosef Chai. V'chihu Moshe b'chol eretz Mitzrayim. He is the ruler all over Egypt. But that's not exactly what they were told to say by Yosef. Where's God in all this business? You know, Yosef is in charge of everything. In other words, where's the Kodesh Baruch Hu? Yaakov Avinu says, impossible. That's not my son. I can't believe it. Yosef instructed the brothers to say, Maharu, quickly, go to my father and you should tell him, this is what your son Yosef said. Samani Elokim le'adon lechol Mitzrayim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu appointed me to be the ruler over the entire land, but they didn't say that. Yaakov Avinu hears and says, that's impossible. My son, the tzaddik, Yosef, doesn't speak like this. And therefore he doesn't believe him. Where is this alluded to? The pasuk says, Ki lo he'emin lahem. Lo he'emin is the same letters as en Elokim. Why didn't believe? Because you didn't say a word about HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Lo he'emin, because en Elokim, that's not Yosef. Sorry, I don't know who sent you, it's not Yosef. But then the pasuk says, Vayedabu alav et kol divrei Yosef. In other words, they also mentioned what they forgot to mention before. Asher diber aleihem, letters Elokim. Now that you're mentioning Elokim, fine. Now I believe, in fact, Yosef is around, Yosef is alive, as you say. Mimele vatechi ruach Yaakov Avim. He was revived. Baruch Hashem, Yosef is still around.